In this video, I'm going to reveal step-by-step how you can earn $130 per day with affiliate marketing without having a huge following on social media, without showing your face, or even spending a dime on paid ads. You are going to want to make sure you watch this entire video to learn exactly what you need to do to start making $130 per day with affiliate marketing. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned, what we're gonna do today is I'm gonna show you exactly what I did to earn $130 on January 20th. So just 3 days ago, you're going to see what I did. You're going to try and replicate it so that you can earn $130. Now, let me ask you a quick question. How would you like to make more than the median individual US income? Yes, the median individual income is about $40,000 per year. If you follow this method and if you're consistent with it, you'll actually make more than the median US income without showing your face or even leaving home. Comment down below what you would do with this extra income. What we're going to do today is we're going to break this down into 4 parts. Part number 1, I'm going to show you exactly what I do. I'm going to show you my traffic method. Step number 2 is we are going to set up the foundation because we've got to set up some things first. Step number 3, we are actually going to create the content. And then step number 4, the most important part, I'll actually save that for the end. So let's go ahead and take a look. What we're going to do is we're going to jump right into my screen here, and I'm going to show you my back office. Now, as you can see here, the $130 is with Bluehost. I'm actually going to refresh my screen, something that not a lot of people will do. I'm going to refresh my screen here, and you are going to see on January 20th, I earned $130 with Bluehost, okay? And in order for me to do that, I actually created content over on YouTube. Now, I want to point out a few things. One, I only have 1.4 thousand subscribers on this channel. You can actually check this out for yourself, Web Hosting Rewind. What we can do is we can scroll down, and I'm just going to click on this video. Point number 2 that I want to show you is these videos don't get a ton of views, but you don't need a ton of views to be successful because we are targeted traffic, okay? So I'm just going to click this video to let you hear that this is actually me so that you can see that I'm telling the truth. Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you step by step how to start a gardening blog. So be sure to, all right, so hopefully you are able to hear that. That's me creating these videos. Now that we have that out of the way, let me show you what you need to do so that you can start earning this type of income semi-passively, because you will need to create do the work. So the first thing you want to do is you want to sign up for the affiliate program. Now this affiliate program, the Bluehost affiliate program, is part of the Impact Radius affiliate network. So what you'll need to do is you'll need to sign up. It's 100% for free. And then once you sign up, you'll need to go and apply to join the Bluehost affiliate program. If for whatever reason you're not accepted to Bluehost, you can do this with HostGator, GoDaddy, any of the web hosting platforms that actually have affiliate programs. You can follow the same method. So that is step number 1. The other thing that you need to do is you need to go ahead and you need to create a YouTube account. Now, most likely, if you're watching this video, you already have a YouTube account. So congratulations, you have that part knocked out. So that's step number 1. That's the foundation, setting up your YouTube account and applying to the necessary affiliate program. Step number 2 is we need to go out and figure out what our target audience wants to know. If we look at this channel here, I'm creating basically 2 types of content. I'm creating comparison videos of Bluehost and their competitors, and I'm actually showing people how to start blog. So if we look at this, if we scroll down here, we click on videos and we scroll down, you can see Bluehost versus Squarespace, only 4 views. Bluehost versus Wix, 15 views. If we look at this, how to start a gardening blog and make money, there's 594 views. How to start a dental blog, 148 views. Again, you don't need a lot of views. You just need highly targeted views, okay? So in order to figure out what our target audience wants to know, we can search in a few different ways. One, we can look at a website like Answer the Public. What I did in answerthepublic.com is I searched how to start a website. And as you can see here, there are tons of questions that people are asking on how to start a website. I also searched on answerthepublic.com, and this is free, so you're not spending any money. You can do how to start a blog. And once again, people are looking up how to start a blog. If for whatever reason these 2 methods don't work, you can always go to YouTube and you can type in something like how to start an underscore blog. And then you're going to come back over here and just go through each letter of the alphabet. So how to start an affiliate marketing blog, how to start an art blog, how to start an anonymous blog. And you're just going to go through each letter of the alphabet and you're going to record what pops up. How to start a tech blog, for example. And you're just going to go through, write all of them down. And now you have a list of keywords. You're probably going to have maybe 200 keywords that you can start creating content. But if you look at this, you can see this is exactly what I've done here. And again, the views aren't astronomical, but they don't need to be because these are highly targeted views. All right. So now that we have that taken care of, we've got our keywords, we need to go ahead and we need to create the damn content. Now, I'm sure you're asking, how do I create this content? What I've done, if you look at any one of these are all PowerPoint videos that I actually created over in Canva. And so what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to spend some time figuring out how to start a blog. Now, the cool thing with this method is basically the same for all of these different blogs. Basically, you're just changing the keywords. But so what I did, if we watch one of these videos, I walk them step by step through the process of starting a blog. If you don't know how to start a blog, go over to Google and type in how to start a blog. Okay. And as you can see here, there are tons of blog posts teaching you how to start a blog, get started, set up your blog, how to use your blog, and so on. And so you're just going to walk people through the process of starting a blog. It's really that simple. And you are going to I actually created this over on Canva. If I show you Canva real quick, you'll see the exact PowerPoint presentation that I used. I didn't show my face. I was never on camera. And if I didn't show you, you would never know that I had this niche. All right, so as you can see here, this is the exact presentation that I used, how to start a church website. I just changed the name here, and then I walk them through the process of starting a website. Now, to find different images, you can come over here to Elements, and you can type in whatever your element is. For example, we can type in church like this, and find one of these and just put it right in there. You can also use a website like Unsplash if you want to as well. So what I did here is I used this presentation and then I actually used Google as well to jump back and forth to show people the entire process. So that is actually step 3. Now, step 4 is the most important part. If we look over here, I don't have 5 videos up. I have maybe close to 100 videos up. And this is where most people fail with affiliate marketing. They do 5 videos. They don't see the view count that they want. They only see 54 views. They get frustrated and they quit. However, what you need to do to be successful in affiliate marketing is you need to keep creating the content. Now, if we look at this, how to start a music blog, this has 3.5 thousand views. The one after that has 611 views. And so if you look here, some of these don't get a ton of views. However, they are highly targeted views, and you can do this too. So it's actually really simple. You will go over to Impact. You'll create an account on Impact. You'll apply to be an affiliate. You are going to figure out what your target audience wants to know. You are going to create the content to help them out. And then you are going to put your affiliate links in the description of the videos. And you are just going to keep doing that again and again and again. Now, the other cool part with this process is if you use YouTube, you can actually get paid by YouTube. So there are a few different ways that you can make money with this process. As you can see here, this will work all day and all night as long as you are consistent. Now that you know step by step how you can earn $130 per day without showing your face, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for a free affiliate marketing planner. That planner will help you plan and organize your affiliate marketing business so that you can make more money online. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.